You know, the baby over there was saying snacks. Snacks.
I'm hungry.
That's what we're gonna make. We're gonna make some snacks now.
It's all about snacks. Relatively healthy snacks too, actually.
And
yeah, awesome.
And they look so good. So popcorn's got fiber in it. Granola bars,
whole grain. We got
chocolate in it.
The chocolate. There's, I think it's 4 grams of fiber per bar.
Oh, that's
tons.
not bad.
Like that is an excellent source of fiber. But you know what? Who cares? They're delicious.
Yeah, I see chocolate on it, so it's good.
I know. We've already had to.
It has to be good for you.
I have to tell you there are bugs in this so that you wouldn't eat it. But that didn't help.
I'm not going to eat any more. That's for sure.
This popcorn has changed my life. This is sweet and salty kettle corn. I make it now at least once a week. It's the best for after school or after work snack.
Yeah.
My 18-month-old loves it. My friends love it when they're coming over for a glass of wine. It is brilliant.
Sweet and salty?
Sweet and salty.
Okay.
And we thought it was going to be really complicated, but it's not, which is so exciting. 1/4 cup of vegetable oil in a pot, and this is old-fashioned. This is a fun trick. You put 3 kernels in, 3 little popcorn kernels in.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to put the lid on. It's on medium-high. When those pop, it's time to put the rest of them in.
Oh, so they're your little testers.
They're my little testers.
Your tester kernels.
So while that's happening, let's just make some granola bars, shall we?
Yeah, let's do it.
And I always thought granola bars were really hard to make. You got to get the oven on, you got to bake stuff, and you dry it out. No, this is no oven granola bars, and these are so good.
Oh, they're no bake.
And you can do whatever you want to them. We're doing pretzel chocolate.
I like that
But
idea.
you can kind of do whatever. The only thing is if you want to put dried fruit in, you just have to soak it for about 5 minutes in hot water.
Okay.
Because otherwise it soaks up all the moisture and the granola bars turn really dry, but these are really nice and moist.
So you're starting out with some oats.
We toasted our oats.
We toasted our oats.
You know, just to give them that little bit of flavor. This is a little bit of melted butter. Then we're going to do creamed honey. So
here.
Yes, please, and you can use that little spoon.
Just checking. I want to make sure I'm following
the
rules.
You're so good. Love that. Okay, so creamed honey and brown sugar.
Okay.
And these are pretty low in sugar as well when you think of all of everything except the chocolate chips.
Flax seeds.
Flax seeds.
They're so good for you.
Secret flax seeds, and they're so high in fiber.
Pretzels.
Pretzels, so
Ground
you
up.
can do nuts, you can do, and we do Rice Krispies because we love them. And then we give this a hold on, watching you like a hawk.
Okay.
So
I'm just going to leave these right over here.
This is the sort of sticky goo, which is going to make the granola bar.
So the honey is holding it all together.
The honey, the butter, and the brown sugar.
Yeah.
And then these toasted oats go in. And really, the only reason we toasted them was for flavor.
Yeah.
It's really a nice way to add just kind of a richness that that you don't get from necessarily every snack that you're going to buy, for sure.
It's almost like a rich, nutty flavor. So a lot of us, when we go and get granola bars at the store, not that there's anything wrong with them, but you always have to check what's in there.
Exactly.
So it's nice if you can make them from scratch.
Exactly.
You know exactly what you're putting in.
And I mean, I know that at school you can't even have things that were made in a peanutty facility.
No.
So there isn't a peanut in sight here.
Good.
And you know, as long as you're checking that all of these ingredients are nice and clear, you're going to be fine. Yeah.
So once this is all melded together.
Yeah. So then it goes in here, and you have to kind of pack it down.
Yeah.
Which is fine. And you kind of pack it down because what's happening here is everything's warm, so it's still kind of soft.
Yeah.
And then once it chills to room temperature, it's going to firm up. But not so firm. They're still going to be ooey gooey.
They're still going to be nice and soft.
Now's the time. Hit it with the chips.
You got it.
Maybe we didn't put enough chips in that bowl. I felt like we had more than that when we started this segment.
I ate a few.
But
I didn't think we'd notice.
When you have that, when you actually
thought.
look soft and lovely.
Oh yeah, baby.
So it's so tasty. It's that soft honey.
Do you ever freeze this? You don't freeze it. You just leave it out and let it get to room temperature.
Yeah, room temperature. You can store it in the fridge.
Yeah.
But when you eat it, you want to eat it like at room temperature. So you pack it in a lunchbox or whatever you do.
Sounds good.
Okay, so I'm very disappointed in these popcorn kernels because they haven't popped yet.
Pop.
Pop.
Come on.
Pop. Anyway, okay, so I'm going to show you essentially what you do. Once these 3 pop, you put in 1/2 cup of popcorn kernels, and of course the recipes are all available for you online. 1/4 cup of granulated sugar.
Okay.
And you just evenly sprinkle this over the top, and then you slap your lid right back on.
So this is the sweet.
This is the sweet.
Sweet and salty.
And then it starts to pop. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes. You're going to go shaky, shaky, shakes, shaky,
just
shaky,
pretend
shakes.
you hear popping sounds.
Lots of lovely popping sounds. And then as soon as it comes out, you just throw it on a baking sheet and sprinkle it with like coarse salt or any kind of salt. Or you know what I've also done?
What?
Little cayenne and lime zest.
Oh, that's good.
Yum. And then it's crispy, crunchy.
And is it sticky?
Well, this now, don't forget that this was made on the most humid day of the summer.
Okay. But you're going to say last week. Oh no, I'm eating it.
Last night. So we made it last night to be ready for today.
Yeah.
When it comes out, it is crunchy.
It tastes very good.
I can't. I'm too emotional. I love this recipe.
Cityline.ca.
I gotta go.
I understand.
Okay.
Give her a hand.
Okay, thank you so much.
Beautiful. It's just amazing.